We're gonna cut these biscuits into eighths with your ridiculously large knife. Biscuits are all chopped up. Let's set these aside. We have 10 eggs here. We're gonna season them up with just a little salt, pepper, garlic, all-purpose seasoning in there. All right, give it a good whisk. We're gonna add a mess of cooked sausage in there, 1 pound chub of it. Got a half a pound of sliced bacon already cooked. The sausage and the bacon are already cooked, baby. I'm gonna go in with a couple handfuls of cheese. I got a little medium cheddar here, but you use what you want. Then give this a good mix. Make sure all that's incorporated in there. Guys, this is gonna be amazing breakfast casserole. This right here, you throw that in a pan, you're good to go. But we're gonna level this up, baby. Now it's time to combine all the ingredients. I'm gonna start piecing in our little biscuit pieces. Try to break them up as best as possible. You don't want clumps of biscuits going in there. All right, our biscuits are in. Now just get these mixed, and you want to coat all the biscuits, and then, you know, you're breaking it up as it goes too. This one, I don't know if it looks like much right now, but you guys trust me, and I hope you do. This is gonna look fabulous when we get done. It's gonna be an amazing breakfast. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. We got a greased Bundt cake pan here, and I'm just going in with just the slightest little layer of the cheddar cheese. Okay, this is gonna crisp up real nice on the top and just look amazing. We got our biscuit mix right here with the eggs and the sausage and all the goodness. We're just gonna pour it around the Bundt pan. Try to do it evenly as possible, but you'll use your spatula to kind of level it out. Put that to the side. Now we've left plenty of room for this to be able to rise, right? All rise. We add just a little bit more cheese on the top here. So when it crisps up in there and it bakes in there, it's just gonna be a nice base for it. And it'll be nice and golden brown and lovely. When we flip this over, it'll be awesome. All right, guys, time to get this beautiful Bundt in the oven. Guys, this is gonna be amazing. You're gonna love it. Trust me on that one. We got it at 350. We're gonna do about 20, 30 minutes, depending on how fast the eggs cook and those biscuits rise. Just keep an eye on it. Fresh out of the oven, looking too dang good. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't wait to try this bad boy. Look at that. Now, as much as I wanna try this right now, we have to let it cool down. We're gonna flip it over, invert it, right? Got a little extra something special we're gonna put on top, but you have to stick around for that one. We've let this cool down. I'm gonna flip it over. I got a little cutting board underneath it. Hopefully we don't make a big mess. Little pop, little tap. Pull it off. Oh. Guys, tell me that doesn't look spectacular. But we're gonna level it up. Hold tight. We got a bigger cutting board because I realized this was gonna make a little bit more of a mess than we wanted to. But we're going over the top with some beautiful sausage gravy. Oh my goodness, guys. That is amazing. We're gonna pour a little extra in the middle. So when we cut this bad boy open, all that good gravy's going out the side. Now let's get in there and get a slice. Guys, I am too dang excited for this. Oh yeah, look at that gravy slide down. We got our biscuits in there. The sausage, the eggs, little bacon, those good flavors. Let's get a bite. What do you say? If you don't want this, I don't want to know your name. This is money in the bank. Cheesy, meaty, eggy. Got those wonderful biscuits in there. That beautiful sausage gravy. Can't go wrong, baby. Got a little in my mouth. This right here Baby, you know it's good.